Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about that when we are interested to improve ourselves in English language, we want to speak a good English language, then we search the videos of tips and tricks. Always we are browsing on social media that how to improve English language, how to become fluent in English language. But I am surprised that we are not trying to improve. We are just browsing about the tips and tricks. Tips and tricks are necessary, but whatever the main thing is important, we are missing. What is that main thing? That main thing is the dedication, the devotion. When you are interested, then automatically you will improve yourself, you will search for tips and tricks. But if there is no dedication, no motivation, you are not motivated, then no use of these tips and tricks. So first of all, you should be motivated that after learning this language, blah blah goals in front of you, you will try to get, you will try to reach on such destinations. So tips and tricks are necessary when you are motivated. If you are not motivated, all these tips and tricks will not work. So be motivated. How to be motivated? For motivation, there should be a goal in front of you that after learning this language, you will get such a destination where you are dreaming about, whereabout you are dreaming about. And for that, you will try. And when you will try, all tips and tricks you will use in your learning process. So tips and tricks are necessary, but when you are motivated, you are dedicated, you have a goal in front of you. So set a goal in front of you, then try to improve yourself in English language. Hope you found this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, and if you are new on this channel, do subscribe so that you never miss our other videos. Thank you. Bye bye.